Good morning, dear children. We are doing revision right for your exams, and we have completed choose the correct answers. And from today onwards, we will do revision in first chapter, Earth, our home. Okay, Earth, our home. Children, all of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 1, Earth, our home. See hard words. Okay, see the hard words. First one, blessed. BLESSED. Blessed means given with. Given, gifted by something. Okay, blessed, given with. Second one, resources. RESOURCES. Resources means something that can be used for a purpose. Resources means something that can be used for a purpose. Next one is atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere means the envelope of gases surrounding the earth or another planet. The envelope of gases surrounding the earth or another planet. Okay. Next one is warmth. WARMTH. Warmth means moderate heat. MODERATE. Moderate heat. Next one is rotation. ROTATION. Rotation means act of turning or circling around something. Turning or circling around something is called rotation. Okay. Next one is revolution. Means movement of one object around another object. So the movement of one object moving around another object is called revolution. Next one is spins. Spins means turn around quickly. Okay. Next one is axis. Means an imaginary line about which a body rotates. An imaginary line about which a body rotates is called axis. Okay. Next one is planet. Planet means large objects such as Earth or Jupiter that orbits. Orbits means here rotates around. Okay. A star means here sun. So planet means large objects such as Earth or Jupiter that orbits or rotates around a sun. Last one is oxygen. OXYGEN. Oxygen means a gas in atmosphere that enables breathe and supports life. Oxygen means a gas in atmosphere that enables breathe and supports life. Now come to fill in the blanks, children. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is known as planet of life. What is known as planet of life? Earth. 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 Earth is known as planet of life. Second one, Earth's surface is made up of dash and dash. Earth's surface is made up of dash and dash. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. Third one, dash is the gas that all known life needs to live. Dash is the gas that all known life needs to live. Oxygen. OXYGEN. Oxygen is the gas that all known life needs to live. Next one is Earth is also known as dash planet. Earth is also known as blue planet. BLUE. Blue planet. Okay. Fifth one, the Earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. These are the fill in the blanks, children. Go through these fill in the blanks. Okay, now come to true or false. Okay, the earth always stands still. Is the earth always stands still? No, it rotates. So this statement is false. Next one, the earth gets all the warmth and natural light from moon. This statement is false. The earth doesn't get all the warmth and natural light from moon. Okay, it gets from natural light from sun. Next one, oxygen is present in the air we breathe. Yes, this statement is true. Oxygen is present in the air we breathe. Next one, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Yes, this statement is true. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Next one, half of the earth's surface is covered with water. No, 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. So this statement is false. So children, once go through true or false, fill in the blanks and hard words. Okay, I am going to conduct test for you on these three. Bye children, thank you.